Hi everyone! Welcome to Extraordinary Taste. I think most of you love pizza, otherwise you won't click on this video. Yep, they are delicious with the sweet tart tomato sauce, cheese, and the rich toppings. Today, I'm going to make a low-carb, gluten-free mini pizza with eggplant as the crust. It's best to use globe eggplants because they have stronger, meatier texture than other varieties. Their shapes hold pretty good after roasting. Wash and slice the eggplant into about 1 centimeter rounds. Eggplant does not have much taste by itself. However, a spongy texture can absorb the flavors of the ingredient topped on it. Globe eggplants have tough skin. Peeling off the skin before cooking makes it easy to eat and often improves the taste and texture. As you can see, the skin is very chewy after roasting. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar into 2 liters of water. Soak the eggplants in the vinegar solution for 5 to 10 minutes to prevent browning. Drain to dry. Lay the eggplants on a rack in a sheet pan. This allows heat to flow evenly underneath and keeps the bottom of the eggplant dry. Brush the eggplants with oil and season with salt and pepper on both sides. Apply the oil first before seasoning helps keeping the salt and pepper on the eggplants. The eggplants take longer time to cook than the toppings. So roast the eggplant first at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. The eggplant crust are now ready. Feel free to add any of your flavored toppings. As a general rule of thumb, begin with the sauce, cheese, and then the toppings. Meats should be grounded or cut into small chunks and marinated. They should be put on last to cook with direct heat to develop a richer flavor and a brown color. Don't be greedy to overload the toppings. They will come out uncooked and soggy. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Serve while hot and enjoy! Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.